Hi intentionals, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you another way to make money or to save money. This is how to make custard. All right, what I first poured here is your regular cornstarch or your corn flour. That is just all. That's the basic. That's the main thing you need for this thing. Other things are just addictive. Now I'm using vanilla flavor because I wanted to have that vanilla flavor. That's why I'm using the vanilla flavor. What you are seeing here now is called the egg yolk. That is the color this edible color, but it's called egg yolk, and that's the color that the thing that gives you that yellowish color. At the end of the day, this is all you just need to start a custard business. Yeah, that's just it. That is basically all you just need. Now we're trying it out to see if it's giving me the kind of yellow I want. I tried it out, it's not as yellowish as I want. This is just my preference. If what you are seeing here is okay by you, by all means, please, you are done. But if it's not, you can go ahead and add more of the egg yolk to get the color you want. At the end of the day, your custard is ready. You can package this for sale. You can keep this for your family, or whatever it is you want to do, you are good to go. All right, custard is expensive and it's not difficult to produce. You can produce it yourself. So if you have found value, please give this video a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in comment section, ask your questions, and rest assured I'm going to give you perfect answer to it. All right, so we're going to try it out to see if it's exactly custard you are used to. Just take some and mix them, bring in your hot water, and your custard is ready. Add any sweetener of your choice. I'm using honey and milk. Any sweetener of your choice is okay, and your custard is ready. You can do this for your family, or you do it for business. So it's either you save money or you make money. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.